You gotta open it up. Come on. Here you go. Come on. There, get it open. Get it open. There you go.
Huh?
Keep going.
Keep going. Stack.
It's not stuck.
Come on, you gotta keep going. Pull it. There you go. This one. There you go. What did you get?
What is it?
Yeah, good boy.
Oh,
Magnetic lanterns and magnetic elbows.
Yay!
Because you lost all your other ones, so there's a replacement. Yeah.
Yay!
Present.
Present.
It's a present.
Okay. Okay. Here we go.
This one.
Yeah, next one. Open up. Wow, what is it?
There you go.
Oh.
Oh, that's a close.
Wow.
Yeah, wow.
What is it?
You got a hoodie.
Oh, cute.
You got a hoodie, and you got
Is it cute, Leo?
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Boys will be boys.
Yeah,
Yes,
Mama,
they
Mama.
will. Oh. Oh, so cute. Leo, can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Thank you to Douglas.
Thank you.
Thank you, Douglas.
Go.
Thank you, Sarah.
Sasha.
Thank you, Ryan.
Thanks, McMullins.
Thank you. There, that might have been easier, actually. Leo, can you say thank you, McMullins? Leo, say thank you,
Thank you.
McMullins.
Manage.
Thank you, Melons.
Oh, manage.
Good melons.
Oh, look. Color, color, color. Thank you very much. I love you.
I like you.
Bye.